are going to the Hawaii Cat Cafe again. Look at all these pink cuties. He look at it to you. He like play with you. And you know, like play with him. We just got done at the Hawaii Cat Cafe. And I feel sad. I hate leaving the kitties. They were there. There's a cat cafe. Here at my happy place, and I really don't feel too happy right now, but I'm trying to be better. Trying this keyword people try. Let's see what happens next, shall we? Alrighty then. We're here at Polymomi because I need to check if my throat is pregnant because I have a thyroid on it. So they need to do an ultrasound so you might have more grandbabies.
Oh, that's good. It's not this time. You can stay up all night long.
So we're gonna check the ultrasound on my neck and how my thyroid is doing. So we're gonna do that. Here at Polymomi. Look, it still exists. It's the Toys R Us wagon. Tiny Toys R Us wagons. Doctor. I know. We're still gonna get something to eat.
Yeah, I still like it.
Take 2 days if I get my results for my ultrasound and my thyroid. So far I'm here for 1 to 2 days. We're gonna go into downstairs and do some shopping.